Good morning to one and all. Today I'm going to take the topic data structure. So, what is a data structure? The data structure is a specialized format for storing and organizing data. There are two types of data structure. It contains primitive data structure and non-primitive data structure. Primitive data structure, it contains integer, double, float characters. Non-primitive data structure contain array, files, and structures. Classification of data structure, linear data structure and non-linear data structure. What is in by linear data structure? If all the elements form a sequence in a data structure, then such a data structure is called linear data structure. Non-linear data structure, the elements does not follow any sequence and they are placed over a plane. It is called non-linear data structure. Linear data structures are array, linked list, stacks, and queues. Array. What is meant by an array? An array is the collection of variables of same data type that are referenced by a common name. Here, the syntax of array is data type, array name, and size. The data type is integer, array name is A, and size is 9. Here, array length is 9, first index is 0, and last index is 8. Here, the elements are allocated in the memory. Here, 9 elements are allocated in the memory. Next, linked list. What is a linked list? A linked list is a sequence of data structure which are connected together. It contains two nodes. Here we are having two nodes. One node contain an data and next node contain a link that points to the next node in a list. Here the first node is considered to be the head and last node is making as null. Types of linked list. Single linked list, the navigation is forward only. Double linked list, items can be navigated forward and backward. Circular linked list, last item contains a list. Last item contains link to the first element as next, and first element has a link to last element as previous. It performs operations such as insertion, deletion, display, search, and delete. Insertion for inserting an element in a node, deletion for deleting a node, display for displaying the element, search for searching the particular element, delete for deleting the node. Stack. Stack, it works on the principle of lost in first out. It performs operations such as push and pop. Push is for insertion and pop is for deletion. Here, insertion and deletion happen on the same end. First, in an array, we are inserting the element 10 and top is pointing to the position of an element. Then we are inserting the element 20. Pop is for deleting an element. We are deleted the element 20. Next, in a real-time example, if we take the book, a stack of 4 books, we are pushing a new book on a top and taking the book from the top. Here, the book that is inserted lost is taken first. So it works on the principle of lost in first out. Q, it works on the principle of first in first out. Here, insertion and deletion happens on different ends. Rear, it shows the position of element inserted in the cube. Front, deletion of element, it shows the position of element deleted from the cube. NQ and DQ operation. NQ, insertion of element is done at the front end of the cube, and DQ, deletion of element is done at the end of the cube. Here in real-time example, in a ticket counter, here the persons are standing in the queue. First A is the front, it shows the position, and rear, it shows the front deletion of an element, and rear, it shows the position of element inserted in the cube. Here, insertion done from the rear end and deletion done from the front end. Then, non-linear data structure. The elements does not follow any sequence and they are placed over a plane. It contains trees and graphs. Tree, it contains root and leaf nodes. The elements are placed in a hierarchical order. It is a non-linear data structure. Graphs. A graph is a non-linear data structure consisting of your nodes and edges. The nodes are sometimes also referred to as vertices, and edges are lines or arcs that connected any two nodes in the graph. Here, this is considered to be the edge. The two nodes are connected by edge. So thank you. Today we have seen about what is in by data structure, types of data structure, and classification of data structure.